Alright, guys, I finally made it home. I am slightly drunk though, because when I got off the cinema at like 1 a.m., I went straight to the club and I hang out with my friends. As you can see, this is actually a guy who works there as well. This is a regular customer, he always comes visiting us. And these are my Turkish friends. This is my dear Ilgit and Mustafa. And I went and I partied, and yeah, it is late. It is early, call it whatever you want. Anyway, I can finally show you this beauty that I got. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I finally got this volume 6 from Chainsaw Man. I can finally see what's going on with Reze. And I also bought this because I saw this book there, which seemed nice, and I'm gonna give this a read as well. Now, I am no stranger to magic. I'm not sure if I ever shared this with you, but yeah, I got this. Anyway, I'm gonna go have dinner now, 'cause my grandma made me dinner. Let's see here what we have. And again, the same thing as yesterday. But it will be good. I just need to warm it up a little bit. Yeah. Alright. Let's have dinner and yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow.